When running 320 amp circuits using 10 American wire gauge or AWG THHN conductors in 1 and 1/4 inch electrical metallic tubing or emmed from a service panel with an ambient temperature between 105 and 113 degrees Fahrenheit and 60 degrees Celsius circuit breaker terminals up the side of a house, bent 90 degrees into 140 degrees Fahrenheit attic, then 10 feet to a junction box where they connect to 312/2 non-metallic cables or NM cables. 8 AWG THHN conductors are needed. Here's why. Firstly, consider the service panel. The ampacity of 10 AWG THHN conductors at 60 degrees Celsius is 30 amps according to the National Electrical Code Table 310.16. Derating for an ambient temperature between 105 and 113 degrees Fahrenheit, which correlates to a 0.71 derating factor, results in a final ampacity of 21.3 amps. Secondly, the attic must be considered. The ampacity of 10 AWG THHN conductors in a 140 degrees Fahrenheit attic is initially calculated as 28.4 amps, obtained by multiplying 40 amps by 0.71. However, the circuit breaker terminals are only rated for 60 degrees Celsius. The ampacity must be further derated, resulting in 21.3 amps. Thirdly, consider the conduit. Derating for 6 parallel conductors and a conduit requires a factor of 0.8, which would reduce the ampacity to 17.4 amps. However, this derating is not applied after the junction box where the conductors are no longer in conduit. The final ampacity of the 10 AWG THHN conductors is 21.3 amps, which is greater than the 20 amp circuit protection requirement, but the 60 degree terminal rating means the 90 degree rating of the 10 AWG THHN cannot be used. To ensure proper operation and adherence to the National Electrical Code, 8 AWG THHN conductors are recommended because they have an ampacity of 40 amps at 60 degrees Celsius, which after derating for 6 current-carrying conductors at 0.8 results in 32 amps, sufficient for a 20 amp breaker.